In this video, we're gonna give you a tour of our soon-to-be new roommate's brand new nursery. If you guys didn't know, we're pregnant, and this is our nursery tour.
It can be really overwhelming trying to figure out how to fill an empty nursery, especially as a first-time mom. You can go on Instagram and you can go on Pinterest and you can get easily overwhelmed. But just remember, you really only need 3 things. A place for the baby to sleep, a place for the baby to feed, and a place for the baby to get changed. And all the rest, it's just for fun. So here's the really quick tour. You have the baby's crib, the baby's glider / mama's glider, and a place for the baby to get changed. Now let's get into the tour. Thing that you're gonna need is a place for the baby to sleep. Now, when the baby is born, they don't go into a full-size crib. Mom facts. So what we got was the Nest Egg Wave Crib. Now this crib is a mini crib, and then it actually grows into a regular size crib, and then eventually to a toddler bed. So right now we have it in the mini crib setting, then it can go to the regular crib setting, and then it can eventually go to a toddler bed. So this bed will stay with her for 2 to 3 years, maybe more. And the great thing with the mini crib is that we can roll it into the bedroom, move it around, and have her with us when we need to.
The next thing we want to show you is my favorite. It is the glider. This thing is super comfortable. So besides being super comfortable, this thing is also electric. That's right, it raises and lowers all by itself. And now some of you might be thinking, are you just being lazy? Well, there's actually a big benefit to having this. Imagine sleeping baby. Thank you. Baby's falling asleep, and now you need to get out of this chair. Old school way, you have to throw your heels down and you might wake this beautiful being. But with this, just push the button, you can easily get up out of the chair. And now, ladies, maybe you have a C-section and it's even harder to get up. This can also be a big benefit for you. So this is the Baby Leto Kiwi Glider, and we will have links for all of these things below, including this. One other benefit to this is it has a nice little USB charger. So let's just say you're falling asleep or pass out, you can still charge your phone if need be.
The third main item that you'll need is a place to change the baby. Now, I recommend getting a topper to go on top of your dresser, which is what this is right here. The dresser comes and the topper is different. Why, you ask? Because the baby turns into a child and will need a dresser. But when the baby turns into a child, she will not need to be changed anymore. So this can be removed. But for now, for safety purposes, this topper is screwed into the dresser, so it is not going anywhere. On top of the topper is a changing pad. Now it is waterproof, and I have another pad on top of it that can be removed like so and washed. But I love this topper because it has little cutouts already so that I can have diapers and wipes and all of that just easily accessible when I go to change the dirty diapers.
You want to show us your labeling?
Of course I do. Okay, now into the dresser. Mama got very intense about
Did you do some nesting? Let's see it.
Yeah, I still have some to do, but so for example,
wow.
Look, we have newborn long sleeve onesies, newborn short sleeve t-shirts. Then we're gonna go into 0 to 3 months long sleeve onesies because all of these look the same from the top. But I'm gonna want to know when I'm very, very tired what exactly these are.
I just want it to be known that Colette doesn't ever do this. This is totally just her nesting 100%. So don't feel obligated to do this.
Yeah.
I have a feeling that these labels will not ever really be used besides this one time.
I agree. I was trying to do this now because once she arrives, I think it's gonna be a little chaotic.
Yeah. So it looks good, but
It's a good thought.
Good thought. I'm proud of you though.
Thank you.
Now it's time to talk about the piece de resistance. This is our map of the world. And this is where we really leaned into the whole Pinterest, Instagram world. We got this thing off of Etsy and it is fabulous, to be honest.
Yes.
We love it. It comes in all different sizes. You can actually get it custom fit to your room. We'll put links to this below, like everything else. If I had to give any tips, if you can, maybe look to hiring it out. We did this ourselves. Took us 2 hours and we still got some bubbles and it tends to peel up a little bit. So you can't do it yourself. You can do it over the day or a Saturday, but it can be a little bit of a headache. But if you are a traveler and you want to inspire your newborn to see the world, to see all the animals, this is the thing that they're going to love. At least we hope they do. I mean, if not, well, too bad. It's already in their room. So, very proud of this. I really think it pulls the whole room together.
A must-have item in our baby's nursery was a bookshelf, because we're firm believers that readers are leaders, and we wanted to expose her to books nice and early and often. So we have all of our California books here, and we have books on feelings, and I'm sure there's more to come. A little traveler series, yay. And the other thing is right behind me, and these are blackout shades. No, we're not having a bougie baby. This is for a purpose. When babies are born, they actually do not have a circadian rhythm. So they have to learn it. Now, when baby needs to take naps in the daytime and it's bright out, they would be very much affected by that light. So we got these blackout shades. They were custom from Smith & Noble, and they are bright pink. But we didn't just want blackout shades, we wanted some privacy as well. So these shades are multi-purpose. I can drop them down just to a privacy shade or pull them back up to a total blackout shade. So we have hardwood floors in our house, so we wanted some area rugs to throw down. And we got these Lorena Canals area rugs that are completely machine washable, and they're small enough to fit in the machine, so it makes it easy if you get puke or milk or poop or whatever babies do, we'll find out soon, on the rug. It's super easy to clean, and they have all sorts of designs made specifically for kiddos. And lastly, because it's just fun to look at, baby clothes. Now, I organized everything from newborn size all the way up to 6 months. That's all I have right now. And I washed all of the clothing before I'm gonna put it on her, which is very important, mamas, in baby safe detergent. So I have been fully nested now. But yeah, I have these adorable sleep clothes, lemons like mom. Yeah, just wanted to show off her little cute outfits because they're fun and they're tiny. Okay, moms and dads, so that is the grand tour of our nursery, but I just wanted to reiterate a few things when it comes time to plan your own nursery. You'll probably feel overwhelmed at first. D, D, G, D, D. Okay, so H. But my cardinal rule is to just think about the things you need first. Now remember, that's a place for the baby to sleep, a place to feed the baby, and a place to change the baby. Tackle those 3 first, and the rest for fun. And you don't have to have everything prepared when the baby arrives. The baby doesn't need that much when they arrive. I have to remember that myself. So another thing I would recommend to all moms and dads out there is to start planning the nursery early. Now, not only does it get you excited for the baby, but it will help you prepare in case the baby decides to arrive early so that you don't feel rushed in those final weeks and months of your pregnancy. And lastly, just have fun with this. I mean, you're welcoming a new life into the world, and this is your baby and your time and your nursery, your time to nest, so enjoy it all. And good luck. She's almost here.